Today we'll be walking through the usage of the term microvision 1 with Splunk, SOAR, and some of the actions that can be done manually and associated to the Vision 1 applications such as the workbench, sandbox analysis, and response management. Lastly is that we could be able to perform some responses as well. For example, if you need to isolate a device, so we can quarantine a device and select your asset name. And for this one, you need to put the identifier. Uh, for this, it's available on the documentation if you need to look for the syntax on what is the correct endpoint identifier. And the description is optional. And here, I didn't put the description, just the endpoint. And once you launch it, you'll be able to see the action and it's completed. The task ID is associated on that, and you can perform the status check. And for you to see what happened when you perform that on the Vision 1 is you can go to response management. And here we have isolated the endpoint. And let's perform the restoration. It's the same thing. Just close this one and go to action and then unquarantine and launch it. And here you'll be able to see the result and just refresh this, and here it has been restored. You can perform several actions on Splunk SOAR, just as add to blacklist. It depends on the need that you will be requiring during the investigation.